Hi, this is Kevin and welcome to this short video demonstration of WP Connect version 2. Now before I start, it's very important to note that if you'd like to look at all of the features that are available in the product, please scroll down and watch the longer video that should just be below this one. Right, let's get started. So just as a reminder, WP Connect version 2 is a WordPress plugin that provides non-invasive and highly convenient tools that surface multi-channel lead generating options. So for example, this particular one is the ability to contact the site owner through Skype or Google Maps. But the one I want to show you today is a new feature that's available in version 2, and it's actually the ability to capture people's email addresses, or list building for want of a better phrase, which is available in the fifth button that you can see here. So let's now pop into the WordPress Connect settings and just do some basic customization to show you how to set up a typical scenario where you want to have this button available. So what we're going to do is, under general settings, we're going to switch off all the buttons apart from button number 5, and let's also move it to the other side of the page. I think we'll keep some of the other default settings the same, such as social media, etc. Now if we move over to customize buttons, what we can quickly do is change some of the buttons themselves. I'll rename button 5 to subscribe. Click Save Changes. And what I'll do here is, this is entirely optional, but you can add that additional layer of customization by adding images that essentially point to the buttons to encourage people to get in touch. So in this particular case, I created a free gift button, which again I'll point to, well, there's only going to be one button present, so we'll point it to button 1 and click Save Change. So if we go to the splash screen settings and scroll down to splash screen 5, what we can do, so splash screen 5 is the email capture splash, is we can actually just do some basic customization with that particular splash screen. So let's just rename the top to grab your free report. Now what we're interested in here now is this particular field here. So this is where you can actually integrate your autoresponder code. So if I flip over to my Aweber account, you can see I've created a new list called Connect Splash, and I've already set up a form associated with that list. And what you want to do is just install the form yourself, but grab the HTML version of that particular code. So let's highlight that, copy, go back to our Splash, pop it into the box here, and then click Save Changes. Now what we can do is we can go back to the main page, hit refresh, and those changes that we've made should now come into force. So there you can see it. So the button's now been renamed to subscribe. It has the call to action graphic pointing to it, which you can switch off. And note now that that button floats there, it's always present, and that's the whole point. It's highly convenient, it's interactive, but more importantly, it doesn't take the user away from what they're doing. So if they now click that button, what they can simply do is pop in their details. I'll just put in a test email, and then click subscribe. Now two important things happen. If you've integrated to your autoresponder, that email address is automatically captured and they're now part of your list, great. But you don't have to integrate to autoresponders, because we actually store the leads in the back end of WordPress itself. So let's go back. Should point out that the settings are all available under the general settings within WordPress. And what you would do is go to Sales Lead here, and here you can see that Kevin and test@test.com has already been captured. So not only is it captured by your autoresponder, it's also captured in the back end of WordPress. So there you have it. That's just one of the many powerful features available in the software. I hope you've enjoyed this short demonstration. If you want to get in touch, my details are below, and I should point out that all new subscribers are supported for life and will receive free upgrades. Thanks very much for your time, and speak to you all soon.